Android phones has a hidden settings turned on by default, but some of them can make your battery during fast over time. Let's see what these settings are and how to turn them off. Some apps keep working even after you close them. You think they are off, but they still use the internet and the Wi-Fi in the background. This can waste battery for no reason. On Android phones, this is easy to fix. Just go to the settings, go to the device care, tap on battery. Here you will see the background usage limits. Open it and check the apps that never sleep. If you find any app there, send it to the deep sleep. These stop the app from running in the background. It saves battery, save internet, and can even make your phone feel faster. There is another feature called Scan by Device. On some phones, it is called Google Scanning. This feature is always active. It keeps using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, even when both are turned off. It keeps searching for nearby devices in a background. And yes, this is also uses more battery. To turn it off, go to the setting, tap on location. Location services now. Turned off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. But we are not done yet. Go to the settings, tap on connections, more connection settings, and turned off nearby device scanning. On almost all Android phones, this next option is enabled by default, and honestly, I still don't know why. It keeps looking for printers. Inside the same section, open printing and turn this option off. If you know why Android keeps this on, tell me in the comments. If you like the Android and Samsung tips, hit the like button and subscribe to Learnotime. Another feature that can affect the battery life is a digital Wellbeing. It is a default Samsung app. It tracks your phone usage and shows reports every week. Things like how long you used your phone, how much time you spend in apps, and more. It is useful, but it also keeps working in the background. If you don't need it, you can disable it from here. Go to the setting, tap on apps, tap on three dots at the top right, open special access, then go to the usage data access. Now turn off digital well-being. The next one is very important. Apps love sending notifications, and every notification uses battery in the background. If you have many apps installed, your phone may show a lot of useless notification. It is annoying, and it can increase the battery usage too. Just go to the setting, tap on notifications. You will see the full app list. Turn off notification for apps you don't need it. This setting is also important. By default, precise location is always active. It uses Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS to find your exact location. If you don't use apps like Google Maps a lot, you can turn it off. This can help battery life. Just go to the setting, location, location services, and location accuracy. Now turn it off. And finally, the most important feature for a long battery life. This is battery protection. Try not to charge your phone to 100% all the time, and don't let it fully die either. Keeping the battery between 20% and 80% is better. Go to the settings, tap on device care, tap on battery, turn on battery protection. You can change the limit you want. Your phone will stop charging after that point. Make sure to turn it on. Android phones have even more hidden settings that can slow down your phone. I covered them in the next video. Do not forget to like this video.